was more than just the drummer of the Rolling Stones. He was their steady pulse, their unshakable foundation, and their quiet anchor through decades of chaos and triumph. From the moment he joined the band in 1963 until his passing in 2021, Watts never wavered. He was there through it all. The heartbreaking dismissal of Brian Jones in 1969, the turbulent hiatus of the 1980s, and the euphoric celebration of their 50th anniversary in 2012. Through every storm and every milestone, he remained the band's heartbeat. Mick Jagger, in a candid conversation on The Howard Stern Show, laid bare just how irreplaceable Watts truly was. While the spotlight often fell on Jagger's flamboyance or Keith Richards' rebellious mystique, it was Charlie who quietly held the band together. He wasn't dramatic, he wasn't difficult. He was, as Jagger described, a man of unwavering reliability, a calming presence amid the madness. Beyond the music, he was a loyal friend with a sharp wit, someone Jagger cherished not only on stage, but in the quiet moments of life. When illness struck, Watts remained as selfless as ever. He urged his bandmates not to stop, not to cancel their tour on his account. "Carry on," he insisted, a final act of strength from the man who had always carried them with his rhythm. And so they did, but every beat, every note played, carried the weight of his absence. Charlie Watts is remembered not simply as the Rolling Stones drummer, but as one of the greatest drummers to ever live. To Mick Jagger, to the band, and to countless fans across generations, he will forever be the heartbeat that gave the Rolling Stones their soul.